Hi my loves, welcome back to my channel. It is so good to see you all here. I am so happy to be back on YouTube. So as you know, I didn't feel like posting. I didn't feel like it was appropriate to post on YouTube for a while because just of everything going on in the world, and I know that it was just not the right time, and I wanted to focus on drawing attention to Black Lives Matter and just about the racism and the protests and everything like that. So I have talked about that on my Instagram, but I wanted to leave some links down below to where you guys can participate and just show your support for Black Lives Matter and show your support for being against like racism and stuff like that, because none of that is okay. And I hope everyone's doing well. I am praying for all of your mental health because I know it's difficult right now in this time, and then with this pandemic going on, it's a lot. So I hope you guys are doing well. Hopefully this video can kind of like shed some light and just kind of maybe help you take your mind off things, because it is okay to need a break from media. Well, I know this is media and you're watching me right now, but sometimes it's okay to take a break. And I just hope you're all doing well and fine during this quarantine on top of that. So yeah guys, in today's video I'm going to be doing my long-awaited what I got for my 20th birthday video. So my birthday was on May 31st, and I know this video is late, but like I said, it just didn't feel right to post. So yeah, I'm gonna basically be showing you guys what all my family and friends got me, and I am so grateful. Let me just say that this year I feel like I have just had the most amazing birthday. Like I wasn't really expecting it because with the quarantine, like I probably would have been like on a plane somewhere on vacation. Actually, yes, I had a vacation planned, but I just didn't think I was gonna feel as special as I did this year, and it was just such an amazing birthday. All my friends and family made me feel so special. I had some friends come with me to Palm Springs, my very closest friends, and we basically just quarantined over there. But I wanted to say thank you to everyone that got me a gift or wished me a happy birthday. It means the absolute world to me, and a lot of my family gave me money, so I'm going to show you some things that I bought with that money. But yeah guys, I'm so excited to show you guys what I got for my 20th birthday. And before I get into that, I just wanted to quickly mention, in my last video I kind of got a little bit of hate. It was a Amazon haul, and or not hate, but like people were saying that I was talking a lot in that video, so I do apologize. I wanted to quickly say that. I did mention in the beginning that it was kind of going to be a vlog, so that's why I did a lot of talking, but next time I'll just leave like a little timestamp so that you guys know when I'm actually going to do the haul. But for those who just want to watch the whole thing, you can. So yeah, let's get into this, what I got for my 20th birthday. I got some really good stuff. Okay, so first, from my aunt, uncle, and cousin, I got such an amazing gift. I literally was so happy. So she actually asked me, my aunt asked me what I wanted, and I sent her like an Amazon wish list with just a bunch of stuff, because I didn't know like what exactly to tell her. So I got some pillowcases. I'm gonna link everything down below. Some things are from Amazon. So I got some pillowcases. These are pink silk pillowcases, and I believe it comes with 2 of them. I have been wanting silk pillowcases. It's just gonna look so pretty, and I just love it. This is just, it goes with my room so well. And then my cousin actually made me this cute little what would you call it? I don't know, like a little canvas that says Kiara, and it's so beautiful. She's gonna be 10 this year, I believe. She's gonna be 10 in like a few days. But yeah, she was so cute. She decorated it all pretty. She used my favorite colors, and she drew little mini Starbucks cups because she knows that I love Starbucks so much. So if you're watching this, Haley, I love you. Best gift ever, so cute. And then my family also got me the Ariana Grande, I think this is called, what is this called? I don't know. It's her perfume. Oh, Ari by Ariana Grande perfume. Got this on Amazon too. I'll link it down below. It smells so freaking good. It smells heavenly. Like, please, if you can, if you like sweet scents, get this perfume. It smells amazing. So that is what I got from my aunt and my uncle and my cousin. Okay, so next, with some money that I got, I went to TJ Maxx and Home Goods because those stores are my favorite, and they were open again, so I got so excited. So I bought this exfoliating brush, which was $3.99. If you guys can go to HomeGoods and TJ Maxx, their sales are crazy right now, and Michael's, which I will talk about that in a second. But I also got some fine tipped felt markers because I'm starting school, I'm starting summer classes, and this pack of 12 markers was $3.50. Like, that's a steal, and they're so cute. I already know I'm gonna love the way they write. I also needed a soap, so I got this 3-in-1 shampoo, body wash, and bubble bath little soap, and this is lemon and strawberry scented, and this big bottle was only $6, so amazing. And then I also, this might be TMI to some of you, but I got some underwear. These were in a pack of 3 for only $7.99. So yeah, that is what I got from TJ Maxx. Now from HomeGoods, I got some cute things. First, I got this, it's actually a bath pillow, and I love taking baths. If you know me, you know I love taking baths. So this was only $5.99, and it basically just like suctions to your bathtub, and it's very nice. So then I also got this, it's a cute notebook with a pocket, and I love it. A little floral vibes going on. And then I also got this hand soap that I needed for my bathroom. I feel like I always run out of hand soap. So I got this Sunflower Shea Butter hand soap, and I haven't smelled it, but I'm sure it smells amazing. This was $5.99, and the notebook was $5.99 as well. I don't know why I like saying prices. I feel like it just kind of gives you an idea of like the price. And then I got this candle because I have a lot of candles for my room because I like sweet scents for my room. But this is perfect for my bathroom because it's more of like a, it says it's a ocean and sea salt candle. And it smells amazing, so clean, and I want my bathroom to smell clean, you know? So this was $7.99. It's a pretty decent size. So that is all that I got from HomeGoods and TJ Maxx with some of my birthday money for my family. And then I also went to Michael's, guys, and this is the real tea because I had no idea Michael's had such a good deal on candles. And I'm pretty sure the deal on the candles ends soon. So if you can go to your local Michael's. I got 3 of these candles. I got the same scent. 3 of these candles, completely full size, for $5. 3 candles, full size, for $5. Like, it was crazy. So they have plenty of scents. I personally got 3 of the wedding cake scents because, like I said, I just really like sweet scents, and I'm the type of person, when I'm obsessed with something, I'm obsessed and I don't want to buy anything else. So that's why I literally bought 3 of these. Okay guys, so moving on to something some of my friends got me. So grateful. Yvette got me the cutest Starbucks cup ever, and she actually also gave me a Starbucks gift card. I love Starbucks, so she put it in here, which was so freaking cute. And then my friend Andrew also got me a Starbucks gift card. It should be in here somewhere. Yeah, here it is. And then he also got me my favorite wine, which is in the fridge right now. So shout out to you, Andrew. I love you. Yvette, I love you. Literally amazing gifts. I have like all my cards in here from like my mom, my grandpa, my grandma. Just so sweet, and I want to keep these cards forever because, you know, they're made with love. And then getting into what my dad's wife bought me. She also got me some things from Amazon, so I will link it down below. But this super cute, what is it called? Oil diffuser? Yeah, I think that's what it's called. And this one like lights up. It's literally amazing. So, and I'm pretty sure you can, oh, it has like Wi-Fi and stuff. So I will link this down below. She also asked me for my Amazon wish list, so that's only the reason why that I have like the links. But she also got me a few more things, which I'm gonna go grab right now. Okay, so then she got me this skincare fridge, and this is by Flawless Beauty, I believe. This is literally the cutest mini fridge ever, and I'm so excited for my skincare beauty fridge. It's gonna be so handy. I have so many like skincare products that just lay around in my bathroom, and now I have a little fridge to put them in. So then she also got me a white rug. I really needed one. I also had this in my Amazon wish list. I will link everything down below for the billionth time. I don't know why I keep saying that. I just whacked myself. I'm the clumsiest person I know. Wow. But yeah, just a white fluffy rug, and I feel like that's just a great gift. And then the last thing that she got me was, oh my god, the coolest thing. It is a salt, like a Himalayan salt lamp. How freaking cute is this? Like, it just goes with the aesthetic of my room, and I just am so excited to use it. So then my really great friend Panda was so freaking sweet, and she got me the most cutest, like, genuine gift ever. And she also said that I was having another package coming, but it hasn't came yet, and I really wanted to film this video for you guys. But she knows how obsessed I am with whipped coffee, and she got me like the little like, what is it called, like a frother. And so this is just gonna make my coffee so much better. I'm literally probably about to make some right now, and it's 11 o'clock at night. But I just love coffee. I'm pretty sure you guys know that if you've been watching me for a long time or following me. So yeah, that is basically it for what I got for my birthday this year. I am so incredibly grateful. And my best friend Sophie made like a whole video compilation of all my favorite people, and they basically all just said like a message for me on my birthday. And she also got me this like cowgirl hat and like a sash, and literally all my friends made me feel so freaking special. My friend Alondra drove 7 hours to come see me, and her fiance actually like bought the cake for me, and it was just so freaking sweet. I even had my lash tech send me like a Starbucks gift card on my birthday, so shout out to you, Alex, if you're watching this. And also my brother got me flowers, and he also got me a Starbucks gift card, and my mom and dad gave me money. Like, I just feel like so blessed. And of course I never want to brag. I genuinely just wanted to show you guys, because I feel like I got some pretty cool things, and usually for my birthday I just ask for money, but this year I made it a little bit more exciting and got some actual like presents to open up. I felt like I was just like 5 years old again, like so excited to open up gifts. So yeah guys, thank you so much for watching. I really hope you guys are staying well, and I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, like, comment, share, subscribe, all that good stuff, and let me know what you want to see from me next. I love you. I hope you're staying positive, and I will see you in another video of mine. Bye.